There are hundreds of people I have seen who have the same kind of skill set or even more skill set, who know their shit, who are better looking than me, who have privileges, who have money, who have everything. Then how someone is going to choose me when they are getting hundreds of these choices? This was the question asked by one of my very gorgeous looking friend. ठीक है, तो उसका ये problem है ना, he is very good looking, but he has this thought process in his mind that you have to be like, extremely gorgeous, Hrithik Roshan jaisa gorgeous to get someone in your life, or you are not worthy person because of your skin color. So he has this thing in his mind. Okay? I have told him multiple times that he looks really good. He looks great. Okay, he has a jawline. His facial structure is very Indian and he looks very gorgeous. But he has this thing in mind and इसने बना लिया अपना mind कि कोई तुमको क्यों पसंद करेगा if you are this kind of person who looks this way, who is not having really good job, who is not having government job. There is a craze for government job, but it is not like only government people are getting married. ठीक है, everyone is getting married. Even सब्जी वाले भैया and जो बाकी के लोग होते हैं, they are also getting married. This is just in your head that you have to be someone to get the love and attention from people. Let me tell you very basic thing. ये तुमको तुम्हारे parents ने और तुम्हारे surrounding में नहीं बताई गई, but this is very much important thing. When we try to find love, we always put conditions on it. We have this thing called conditional love, and it is so ingrained in our mind from our childhood. कि भाई, if you will get good marks, then your parents and then other people will love you. If you will be a good person, then people will love you. If you will behave in a certain way, then people will love you. This pressure is so constant from childhood that we think that we are getting love or respect only on conditions. हमारे दिमाग में ये फिक्स हो जाता है, if we will get success in our life, then only people will respect us, then only people will love us. This conditioning has been done intentionally or unintentionally by our parents, by our surroundings. सब लोग ऐसे behave करते हैं that you have to be like this, then you will get this. You have to be like that, or else you are not a good person and you are grounded. You are not going to get this kinds of things in your life. और ये हमको कहीं ना कहीं पे अफेक्ट करता है. हम बड़े होते हैं, वही कंडीशनिंग दिमाग में रहता है, and then we behave in a certain way even when we become adult. हमको लगता है we have to be very good looking, mogger personality, then we will get a girl. We have to read this much books to be intelligent and to get respect from people. If you are reading a book just to get respect from people and to make people think that you are a really good person, बहुत गलत जा रहे हो, बहुत ज़्यादा गलत जा रहे हो. See, love is very unconditional thing, ठीक है? And we are conditioned to think that we have to do these kinds of stupid things to get that in our life, and we start thinking like that, and हमको ये यकीन हो जाता है we have to give up on our self respect, we have to give up on our time, everything to please that person. If you are putting conditions on love, that is not love. You are just playing with yourself, and if someone is telling you you have to fit in this checklist to get love from other people, that person is stupid, and you are also stupid to believe that person. ठीक है? This might sound cheesy or out of touch, but we are the creation of God. Okay, we are humans in this life, and that is enough proof to get love, to get respect, to get everything from people. If you are not getting that, and if people are putting those conditions on these things which are our basic right, then you are hanging out with very wrong gang. ठीक है? You really need people who will love you unconditionally without putting those tags and things. Okay? Most of our lives we want to be someone else. ठीक है? मैं ऐसे ही नहीं बता रही, मैं भी वही थी. ठीक है? I have also gone through the same route. Okay. We see the personality of others and we feel no, this personality is really good. I want to be like this. I want to be Priyanka Chopra. I want to be Sushmita Sen. I want to be Aishwarya Roy and blah blah blah. I want to be Johnny Depp, and I have a huge crush on Johnny Depp. Yeah. So we have these kinds of things in our mind, and we try to mimic them, whatever they are doing, how they speak, and what they do, how their gesture, posture are. We try to mimic everything. We think that these people have gained something in their life and we have to be like them. It is not wrong that you want to be someone who is confident. You want to be a person who speak very well, you want to be a person who dresses really well. There is nothing wrong in these things. The wrong thing is you think becoming yourself is a problem. You think you have to be someone else to fit in the standards. You think that if there are 100 people, no one will choose me. You think that if there are 100 people, they will outshine me and I'll not be good person or good choice for someone else. I am giving an example of a photographer. See, if there are hundreds of photographers, I'm also a photographer in this 100 people. Even though there are these 100 people, I have different kinds of experiences, I have different kinds of perspective. मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा चलता है कि हाँ, मैं तो ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस के बेस पे फोटो निकालूंगी, मैं रियलिस्टिक फोटो निकालूंगी, मेरी जो फोटोग्राफी होगी वो सिर्फ नेचर के अकॉर्डिंग होगी. देयर इज समथिंग डिफरेंट in me that will make my experiences, my photography different than those 100 people. तुम्हारी फोटोग्राफी उनके जैसी तब लगेगी जब तुम उनके जैसे सोचोगे, जब तुम उनके जैसे बनना चाहोगे. अगर तुम अपनी यूनिकनेस पकड़ के चलोगे, देन देयर विल बी नो कंपटीशन फॉर यू इन होल क्राउड. मैं 100 लोगों का एग्जांपल ले रही हूँ, 1000 ले लो, मिलियन ले लो. इफ यू नो हु यू आर and if you believe in yourself, there will be million people, but you will be unique in those million people. Let's take an example of Sai Pallavi. There are thousands and thousands of actresses, and there are some actresses who fit in those beauty standards, you know, but still Sai Pallavi की craze कितनी ज़्यादा है. Why? Because she doesn't give a fuck about beauty standards. So उसने दिमाग में लाया होता कि नहीं, इतने लोगों में, इतने हजार लोगों में कोई मुझे क्यों चूज करेगा एज एन एक्ट्रेस, कोई मुझे क्यों वैल्यू देगा. आई लुक वेरी डिफरेंट, आई डोंट वियर एनी काइंड ऑफ मेकअप, आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पिंपल्स ऑन माई फेस. व्हाई वुड समवन चूज मी एज अ हीरोइन और अ मेन कैरेक्टर इन देयर पिक्चर. शी डिडंट हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ हेजिटेशन. उसने सीधे सीधे दिमाग में ये लिया, आई एम यूनिक, दिस इज मी. उसने कोई सर्जरी नहीं करी, उसको नीड ही नहीं लगी, एंड शी इज वेरी फेमस इन ऑल ऑफ अस एंड वी नो दैट वी आर हर ऑडियंस, राइट. Why it happened? Even though she has so many flaws, क्यों लोग उसको इतना पसंद करते हैं? Because she is herself, she knows her worth. भाई मेरे तो बहुत ज़्यादा पिंपल्स है, I cannot be the main lead. You know, मेरे को कोई नहीं लेगा. ऐसा अगर उसका thought process होता तो what would have happened? हमको नहीं मिलती इतनी अच्छी एक्ट्रेस, है ना. So this is the most important thing. Even if there are millions of people, you are unique. Understand this thing and embrace this thing, and don't go with that negative kind of attitude that you have to fit in something to get appreciated, to get loved. ठीक है? Even if you will fit in those things and you will get love from others, that will be very much conditional. ठीक है, वहाँ पे बहुत सारी कंडीशंस आ गई और तुमको लाइफ टाइम गुलाम बन के रहना पड़ेगा उन कंडीशंस का, इफ़ यू आर फॉलोइंग दैट. नाउ द चॉइस इज योर्स कि तुमको गुलाम बन के रहना है या तुमको खुद को एम्ब्रास करके क्वीन बन के रहना है. That is all for this video. I'll meet you in next. Till that time, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye.